by Sujata Singh. Do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get early notifications. What is BRS? Why BRS is prepared? Benefits of preparing BRS? What is cash book and what is passbook? What are the reasons for difference in the balances of cash book and passbook? Differentiate between cash book and passbook, and finally some practical problems on BRS. BRS. The full form of BRS is Bank Reconciliation Statement. It is prepared to reconcile the balances of cash book maintained by the concern and passbook maintained by the bank at periodical intervals. Else we can say at the end of every month, entries in cash book are compared with the entries in the passbook. BRS is prepared. BRS is prepared on a periodical basis to keep an eye on bank related transactions, whether they are recorded properly in cash books, bank column, and also by the bank in their books. It helps to detect error in recording transaction and determining the exact bank balance as on a particular date. The benefits of preparing BRS. It helps in error detection. BRS helps you spot accounting error common to any business. It includes addition and subtraction error, double payments, lost check and missed payments, etc. Second, fee and interest tracking. Each month your bank add any fees, penalties or interest payments it has applied to your account. Monthly bank reconciliation lets you add or subtract these amounts in your general ledger. Fraud detection. Bank reconciliation helps you spot ongoing fraudulent transactions. Receivable trackings. BRS confirms all your receipt, helping you avoid awkward situation or identifying the entry for a receipt you didn't deposit. Lastly, transaction status updates. BRS might reveal that a check you wrote months ago still hasn't been cashed. It can cause you to believe that you have more money to spend. BRS helps in transaction status updates. What is cash book and what is passbook? Now, cash book and passbook are the main parts of BRS. Now, what is cash book? It is a financial journal that contains all cash receipts and disbursement, including bank deposit and withdrawals. Second, what is passbook? It contains a record of the money you put into and take out of your bank account. Reasons for difference in the balances of cash book and passbook. Check paid into bank but not yet cleared. These are the main reasons. Interest paid by the bank but not recorded by the customer in the cash book. Interest and charges debited by the bank. Check issued but not presented for payment. Dishonor of the check. If any error and omissions committed either by the bank or by the customers. Now differentiate between cash book and passbook. The differentiation table is provided below. There is a cash column and a passbook column. Now cash book keeps a record of cash transaction where passbook is issued by the bank to the account holder. It records the deposits and the withdrawals. Cash book. Cash book is prepared by the firm. Passbook. Passbook is prepared by the bank. Recording of checks deposited for collection is the date of deposit in cash book, whereas date on which the amount is actually collected from the debtor's bank is the date recorded in passbook. Now debit balances shows the cash at bank while the credit balances shows overdraft in case of cash book, where in case of passbook debit balance shows overdraft while the credit balance shows cash at bank. Receipt will be shown in the debit side while payments are entered in credit side in cash book. In passbook, deposits will be shown in the credit side while withdrawals are shown in debit side. are some practical problems and their solutions based on bank reconciliation statement. Now the problem is that prepare a bank reconciliation statement from the following. Like debit balance as per cash book is rupees 21,000. Check deposited but not cleared is 2,000. Check issued but not presented for payment is rupees 1,500. Bank interest is rupees 200. Now first we have to draw a column. Draw 4 columns. Now the first is balance as per cash book will be added, that is 21,000. Check deposited but not cleared will be deducted, that is 2,000. Check issued but not presented for payment will also be added, 1,500. Bank interest will also be added, 200. Now balance as per passbook will be the total amount after adding, deduct the total amount which is deducted from the bank account, that is 20,700. Now there is a second problem. On 31st March 2019, cash book showed a balance of rupees 15,000 as cash at bank, but the bank passbook of the same date showed that checks of rupees 1,850, rupees 1,000 and rupees 1,750 respectively have not been presented for payment. Also checks amounting to rupees 4,100 paid into the account had not yet been cleared. Now find the means of bank reconciliation statement. The balance shown in the passbook. Now again we have to draw the columns. Here balance as per passbook is 15,000. Now check issued but not presented for payment is 4,600. The sum of 1,850 plus 1,000 plus 1,750. Again the check deposited but not cleared, that is 4,100, will be deducted. Now balance as per passbook will be total of 15,000 and 4,600, that is 19,600 minus the amount that the check which has been deposited but not cleared, 4,100, will be deducted. Therefore balance as per passbook will shown as 15,500. Now there is a third problem. On 31st March 2019, cash book of Naresh showed debit bank balance of rupees 75,000. When compared with the bank statement, following facts were discovered. 30th March, two checks of rupees 5,000 and 7,000 were deposited in the bank but were not realized till then. On 28th March, three checks of rupees 6,000, 8,000 and 12,000 were issued but none of these were presented for payment. On 31st March, bank credited rupees 1,250 as interest, but this was not recorded in the cash book. Similarly, bank had charged rupees 150 as bank charges, but this was not recorded in the cash book. Prepare bank reconciliation statement on 31st March 2019. Again we have to draw the columns. Here balance as per cash book is rupees 75,000. Two checks of rupees 5,000 and rupees 7,000 were deposited but that were not cleared. Now that amount, the sum of 5,000 and 7,000, that is 12,000, will be deducted. Now three checks of rupees 6,000, 8,000 and 12,000 were issued but not presented for payment. That is the sum of 6,000, 8,000 and 12,000, that is 26,000, will be added. Now bank allowed interest, that will be added, and bank charges of rupees 150 will be deducted. Now balance as per passbook will be the total of all the positive amounts like 75,000, 26,000, 1,250. The total is 1,02,250. Will that From that there will be a deduction of 12,000 and 1050. The total as per passbook will be 90,100. Thanks for watching.